Alright, so little brake clean bath. Got most of the heavy gook off. So we're gonna disassemble. Disassemble. John 5, no disassemble. Anyway, gonna disassemble and go from there. So there's most of our pump. It's 3 main components. There's our bottom, top, and our center. Alright, so toughest part, especially on something that's this old, there's all our diaphragm and goodness, is getting the old pin out. You need to kind of chuck it up in the vise and just take a punch and hammer and just let her have it. So it comes with this nice new pin that you put clips on both sides, so it'll be really nice. So to release the diaphragm, it's got that little slot. You see it right there. You just push it into the body and pop out your little hooker, and away you go. So the other fun part is getting the old seal out that keeps the oil out for the diaphragm. But there's our new one with our new retainer. So I'm gonna clean this off real quick and put that in. So my little trick for getting these seals in is that is pressed in. So what I do is I'll take the vise and I'll put it in the vise like this with a socket, and I'll give it just a little oomph. Done deal, baby. All right, fresh diaphragm. Make sure you get your valve, big looking valve spring in there. Push it down on the table real hard. Get that up and you slide in your trinket area. Alright, got our diaphragm in, everything's hooked up. Our new cross shaft, and it's clipped. Gonna slide our new spring in here. Present one finished, rebuilt fuel pump. Done deal.